This is the newest hybrid dinosaur, created as the successor to the Indominus Rex from the first film. If you haven't seen our video on the Indominus Rex yet, we'll link it below. But today, let's dive into a different scenario. What if the Indoraptor was real? Keep in mind, this was originally imagined before the movie's release, so everything here is based on early information. But don't worry, that's more than enough to paint a terrifying picture. And if you enjoy these kinds of thought experiments, make sure to check out our Biggest What Ifs playlist. Now, let's get into it. What if the Indoraptor actually existed? As you may remember from our Indominus Rex video, that creature was a mix of multiple dinosaurs and modern animals, giving it an arsenal of powerful traits. Unfortunately, things didn't stop there. Dr. Wu decided to go even further, combining DNA from the Indominus Rex with that of the fan-favorite raptor, Blue. The result? The Indoraptor. A smaller but equally terrifying hybrid with the speed, strength, and intelligence of both species, along with camouflage and body temperature control. At first glance, it resembles the Indominus Rex, but with some key differences. It's only about half the length, a quarter of the height, standing around 10 feet tall. Its body is jet black with a yellow streak running from its neck to its tail, and it has sharper, raptor-like claws. In the franchise, it's even described as the last hybrid of its kind. Personality-wise, the Indoraptor is portrayed as extremely savage and bloodthirsty. Inspired by Frankenstein's monster, it carries an eerie mix of rage and rejection, making it a relentless killing machine both on screen and, if it were real, in our world. So, what would happen if this creature actually existed? To answer that, let's look at 3 different scenarios: prehistoric times, early human history, and the modern world. Prehistoric times. Back in the age of dinosaurs, the Indoraptor would almost certainly dominate the food chain. Highly intelligent and capable of hunting in packs like velociraptors, it could use stealth, teamwork, or brute force to take down prey. It would likely outperform most other dinosaurs. However, like all dinosaurs, it would still fall victim to the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. Early humans. If the Indoraptor had coexisted with humanity's earliest ancestors, things might have gone very differently. Just one of these hybrids could wipe out entire groups of humans. Beyond direct attacks, they would also compete with us for food, especially meat. Since Indoraptors would be far superior hunters, humans might have been forced into a mostly plant-based diet, leading to possible evolutionary changes over time. Our teeth, survival strategies, and even early technologies might have evolved differently in response to the threat. But realistically, there's a strong chance we might not have survived at all. Modern day. The picture changes completely if Indoraptors appeared in today's world. Yes, they would be terrifying predators, but modern technology would give us the upper hand. Hunters, soldiers, and researchers would quickly target them. While resistant to bullets, larger weapons, explosives, or biological tools could take them down. Eventually, humanity might even capture a few, setting up sanctuaries for research or display, though hopefully with stricter security than in the movies. So what's the verdict? If the Indoraptor had lived during the dinosaur era, it would reign supreme. If it had emerged alongside early humans, our species might have been driven to extinction, or at least forced into dramatic changes. But if it appeared today, humanity's technology would likely overpower it, though not without chaos along the way. Settings. Use appropriate media.